What's up, kinfolk? Today we're making a cheap and easy dinner in under 30 minutes. Sausage, peppers, and onions. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need smoked sausage, sliced into coins or medallions, green, yellow, red, and orange bell peppers, sliced, half a yellow onion, sliced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, butter, chicken broth, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and smoked paprika. Start by heating some oil in a pan. Then add your smoked sausage and let it brown. Once it's brown, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In that same pan, add your peppers and onions and saute them for about 5 minutes, just until they start to soften. Now season it with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, a little cayenne, and smoked paprika. Once they're tender, add your minced garlic and cook for about a minute, just until fragrant. Then toss your sausage back into the pan. And add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, pour in the 1/3 cup of chicken broth and let it simmer for about 3 minutes, just long enough for the flavors to come together. And that's it. Serve it with rice, and just like that, you got a simple, flavorful dinner that won't break the bank. Sausage, peppers, and onions. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.